So good! This is the one. This girl you're waiting for. She's coming just
Wait a minute, Vivian. There's so many things. Hello? Is anyone here? Please, I'm looking for my father.
No, is that you?
Papa!
How did you find me?
Who has done this to you? You're hitting like ice.
Gotta be my sister's place.
I won't leave you here. Who's there? I know someone's there. Who are you?
Master of this castle.
Then you're the one who's responsible for this. Release my father at once.
I don't take orders from anyone. Get out.
No, wait. Forgive me, please. Let him out. Can't you see he's not well?
And he should have trespassed here.
But he's an old man. He could die.
There's nothing you can do about it.
Wait. Please. Take me instead.
No, you don't know what you're doing. You do that? You would take his place?
If I did, would you let him go?
Yes. She must promise to stay here. Forever. No!
Come into the light.
Now listen to me. I'm all done with my life.
You have my word.
Done. Take him to the village.
No, wait, not yet!
No, let me go.
Papa! I'll never see him again. I didn't even get to say goodbye.
Master, since the girl is going to stay with us for quite some time, you may want to have her go up to the room.
I'll show you to the room. You follow me! This is your home now. You are free to wander anywhere you like, except the West Wing.
Why? What's
This
the
is
what?
forbidden! Never set foot there! Do you understand? This will be your room. If you need anything, my servants will attend to you. And one more thing. You will join me to dinner. That's not a request. Go!
Papa, I will choose, but I don't deserve to lose my freedom in this way. Master,
Oh, yes, you are. You heard what the master said.
He may be your master, but he's not mine. I'm sorry. This just happened so fast.
That was a very great thing you did, my dear.
We all think so.
I'm going to miss my father so much.
Oh, sure, child.
I know things may